Man, I am so bored. I cannot go to school because I get expelled all the time. What should I have done instead? I had an idea. I'm going to tell a punishment guy to get my new car. Hey, schoolboy, what are you doing here? Hey, punishment guy, can we just get my new car? I think you're supposed to be at school. You need to go to school right now, or else you get expelled. I really want my new car so bad. Please. Absolutely not. I'm busy right now. So get lost. Fine. Do what you want. Alright. I'm gonna steal the forklift to get myself a new car. I'm now taking my new car because it's junky. There. I'm going to restore it. My car looks nice. And now I'm going to drive my new car into the city. Driving my new car is fun. Fantastic. Yes, driving to my new car is fun. I can't believe when I'm going back to school with a new car. This is fun. Why is it taking so long with the schoolboy? Why isn't it happening? This is getting too late with the schoolboy, and now I'm getting pissed. Can I help you, Professor? Yes. Schoolboy just skipped school. Now he already skipped school. He entered on the forklift and he got a new car without permission. No way. I'm going to find someone else who was using the hardware to bring the bulldozer to destroy his new car. Good, go ahead and destroy. Sir, yes, sir. Alright. I'm going to find someone else in the hardware. Oh, hey, Moon Man. Hey, what's going on? Schoolboy just skipped school and then he left it for a year. He just cut class. He got a new car. You must bring a bulldozer and destroy his new car. For fuck's sake. Thank you for letting me know. I'll meet you on the old cars that the punishment guy wants. Holy shit, schoolboy, how did you get a new car? I got it from a garage. Just get ourselves a new car. You want a new car? punishment guy? Oh yes, please, so we can race and enjoy the music without crashing in our car. This is gonna be fun. Alright, stay here. I'll get a forklift and I'll get your new car. Thanks, schoolboy. Okay, I'm not in the forklift. I'm gonna lift this car. Now I'm going to deliver to the punishment guy's new car. This is stupid. This is stupid, kid. I don't want to meet the schoolboys and punishment guys getting a new car. Don't worry about it. We'll find a bulldozer and we'll find out that he's going on. There's a bulldozer. Alright. I'll stay on the back and I'll find you in front. It's going to be exciting to get myself a new car. There's a new one's car. Someone stole without permission. Yeah. Let's just wait and bring the forklift, and then we can crash it. That's right. There he is. Let's crash it. You got it. What the? The car. Oh no. What were you thinking? What is wrong with you? The coach said that the schoolboy skipped school. That's why I destroyed the old new car, because you've been expelled at school forever. I just wanted a new car. That's all. I just want it. Please don't destroy it. I swear to God. I'm trapped. Too bad, schoolboy. You cut school. I saw you skipping school. And I saw you stealing a forklift, getting yourself a new car. And you must be ruining yourself alive. Get out of the way, kid. I'm on it. You're gonna destroy that car. Just do it. What are you doing? Please don't do it. That's the only car I have. Please don't do it. I'm really sorry. Please. My car. No, not my car. I swear to God. Guys, chill out. Don't wreck it. We'll take it back. No, it's not over yet. I almost destroyed the car. It's gonna a long time. You caused trouble stealing a car. That means several cars on the previous video because of you. It's not true. Please leave the car alone. We're sorry. Well, too bad, punishment guy and schoolboy. There's no Why to get yourself a new car? It's going on the trash and it's going on the garbage. And you were grounded for 5 months. Go in your house and don't get your new car ever again. Now they're gone. We should take the bulldozer back to the scrap yard before the cops can see the car damage. I know. We don't get arrested. After we stolen the bulldozer, how much it cost? That was $10,000. Why? Because it's too heavy. Oh, look who is here. Oh, hey Dad. How you doing? I'm doing well, son. What is going on? Some bastard stolen the forklift and get themselves a new car. But it's inappropriate, but it costs a lot of money. They got expelled school because schoolboys skip school to get themselves a new car. And that's when we stole a bulldozer. So we don't want to get arrest us. So we can escape. I appreciate you just caught us while you are in the building. You're right, Moonbear. That's because I'm flying. I got wings and I'm watching on the ground to see someone's in trouble. I'm a wing hero. Not bad, Dad. I hope you just got the beacon and try to find yourself out and be strong. We'll be in touch. See you later, Dad. See you later, guys. That car is completely destroyed. And I cannot believe what this schoolboy and punishment guy got grounded and got skipped school and they get expelled for 5 months. And they got grounded. Bye guys, we'll see you next time from Jose Serrano Special Vehicles.